Okay, let's show you all the progress she's making since her physical therapy. Now she can roll all the way to the right side. Look at that. Sometimes she still needs a little gentle push. But last week she could only roll to the other side. So good job, sweetie. And she's doing much better with her neck stretches, aren't you? Yeah. It doesn't hurt as much when I push her head to the side, does it? It's still not fun. No. You still don't like doing them, do you? But you can look over here. Look at that range of motion. Look at that. All the way to the other side. Good job. You're doing so good. You want to do it again? You want to roll over here? Go to this side. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can go to the other side. You just don't want to. That's fine. Hey, cutie. Silly goose. Hi. Hi. Oh, there you go. Hey, cutie. Hi, sweetie. You know you're being recorded, don't you? Hi, silly. Hi. Other way. Go this way. There you go. Look at that. She's turning to the left. Yay. Good job. You're so bouncy.
Making cookies is fun.
This toy is so weird. Look over there. She's not into toys today, are you? Cutie. She always knows when she's being recorded, don't you? Don't you? You want the phone, don't you?